Dear class, today we are going to revise our unit 3rd, that is the digital documentation. So, class, basically a document is a paper with written contents and the process of preparing a document is called a documentation. The documents can be a letter, reports, thesis, case studies, manuscripts, legal documents, book or any written material that are all included in the documents. So, the advancement in computer hardware and software technology is the process of handwritten document consequently automated the computer word processing. So in digital documentation, word processing plays a very important role. Why? Because knowledge is power and all of us gain knowledge by reading books and by searching of new information every day. So we are living in the 21st century and it has a witness that there is a tremendous change in our lifestyles. Why? Because due to the use of a internet. So, if we want to write any type of a text, we have to use a word processing. So, word processing is the process to create, edit, save, and print text documents on the computer. So, it is a very important technique and an application software that is used to perform these tasks. So these are called a word processor. Here, every single piece of information is touched by a word processor directly or indirectly. So a word processor should never be confused with a text editor such as a notepad. It may only allows you to create and edit a plain text. But whereas if we can talk about the word processor, you can only format and illustrate the text. So besides these, there are some more important features of a word processor. So these are the examples of a word processing software. The word processor has all the features of a conventional typewriter. So among these is highly useful features are spell checker and a auto word completion. Dear students, I had already told you that word processor has a various type of features. So let's discuss all these features step by step. First one is the word trap, saving a document, fast speed, editing features, formatting features, storage of information, graphic features, printing, spelling and check, mail merger, formatting, vocabulary, protecting files, find and replace feature, printing and the thesaurus. So these are the basic features which consist in the word processor. Now, question arises that how we can start a Microsoft Word. So our first step is we can click on the start button. After that, all programs, then Microsoft Office, and the last step is the Microsoft Office Word 2003 or a 2007. So after clicking on the button Microsoft Office, this type of a window appears. Here there is a blank document. So by clicking on the blank document, you can create a new Word file document. Here you can write any type of information or text according to your own choice. Now next one is that what are the components of MS Word. MS Word is a very fast and a vast application. So it consists of various type of components like quick access toolbar, cursor point, title bar, view ruler, maximize, minimize or a control button, documentation, blank page, text area, vertical scroll bar, view buttons, zoom browser buttons. So these are the basic components of a word processor and each component have its own different roles. Like if we can talk about the component title bar, it is located at the top of the word window. It displays the current document and the name of the application in the center of the document. Now another component is the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is located next to the word icon. It is represented by a W. It can provide an easy access to the frequently used command buttons, but by default, three buttons are present on it, which are save, undo, and redo. So you can customize these toolbar by adding and removing commands and using the drop down arrow of the customized quick access toolbar. So dear class, besides these components, there are some more components like text area where you can write your text according to your own choice. You can type your documents in the text area. Vertical and horizontal scroll bar, and last one is the status bar. So it appears at the very bottom of your window and provides such information such as the current page and the number of the words in your document. So this is your topic, which consists of introduction about the digital documentation, word processor, what are the features and basic components in the word processor.